A heavy sandstorm wreaked havoc at about 1500 hours on Sunday in northwest China's Dunhuang, where the ancient Mogao caves are located. The sandstorm, like a wall as high as over 100 meters, was advancing from north to south and engulfed the expressway in a few minutes, turning the sky into yellow and reducing the visibility to less than 5 meters. Local traffic police imposed traffic control at the toll gates and directed stranded vehicles to leave the expressway and stop in the service areas.